Black alert. Black alert.
Hey guys, so here we have the USS Discovery dry fit together. So just kind of held together with a little bit of tape. Now it is a snap kit. So if you're just building it out of the box, you just snap it together, no need for tape, it'll hold itself together. But for what I'm doing, I know I want to put together and take it apart and try a few different things. So I actually drilled out the holes that the snap fit posts go into. That's the only reason mine is using a little bit of tape. But there were some requests along the forums to see it alongside some other ships so that people could get an idea of where it actually fits as far as scale. And I do have to apologize. I'm missing probably the key ship. Maybe I'll try and track down a 2500th scale TOS Enterprise. But I simply don't have a 2500th scale Enterprise from either the movies or the original show. What I do have is I have a handful of next generation ships in 1/2500ths. So that's what it looks like compared to the D. There's a couple little shots there. So yeah, it is longer than the 1701D. Mostly that's just because of the nacelles. You can see the saucer much smaller, just much longer nacelles. The other ship a lot of people are wanting to see this with is the 1/1000th USS Enterprise. So here it is with the Enterprise. I know a lot of people want to set up a display with these side by side. So that's how it would look. The saucer of the Discovery, if you were to try and say these two were in scale, much smaller. Nacelles thinner, longer. And then, just for comparison, here's what it looks like with the Ambassador class in 1/2500th scale. Of course, this Ambassador class is kind of in our test paints for the Discovery. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I want to throw those size comparisons out there so people could get an idea of what this ship actually looks like compared to other ones you might have on your shelves. I'll see this weekend if I can track down a 1/2500th scale Constitution class to kind of show this with. Once again, anything else you guys want to see, put in the comments. If I have any to show you, I'll be glad to show you. And stay tuned. Thank you for liking and subscribing to our channel.